Hey friends, it goes without saying that I've been as unminimalistic as it is possible to be. As someone who has religiously carried a bifold wallet since my dad gave me my first one about 2.5 decades ago, I went from this beautiful thing to this. I carry 4 cards, that's it. I haven't carried cash for a long time. Now before we dive right in and make one of these, don't forget to watch to the end to find out exactly how you can win this card holder for yourself. guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Super fun to make. As a thank you to all of you who have support my channel, and I'm super grateful to you all, I'm going to be giving away this card holder to one of you. To win, all you have to do is 3 super simple steps. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment down below telling me what your favourite colour is. And finally, follow my new Instagram page, and I'll leave the link down below. That's all you have to do. Super simple. At the end of my video on Sunday, in 2 weeks' time, in 2 weeks from this video, I'll put the date down below. On that Sunday, at the end of the video, I will choose at random the subscriber who will win this card holder. It's open worldwide, free shipping internationally, and the winner will get their initials embossed on the back of it. What more could you want? So good luck, have fun, and I'll see you next time.